Okay, so this is the progress of getting it together here. So this is the kitchen. Beforehand, the kitchen cabinets wasn't up, but now they done put up the kitchen. Well, they building the kitchen cabinet still, and the kitchen sink. They're still working on everything. Yep. Excuse me. One of the bedrooms. They done brought the toilet in so they can hook it up in the bathroom. Okay, so this is one of the rooms. And this is another room. Right here. They still putting it all together. So everything is coming along. And this is the bathroom. Remember I showed you what the bathroom looked like beforehand? So they're getting it together. Yep. And this is inside the bathroom. They done put up the towels. Over here is the shower. Where the shower and bath would be. And I guess that's the toilet will be there and the sink will be here. So that's the window. So this is looking outside the bathroom into the hallway. So the young brother here, he's working hard. He's getting it together. Yeah. And remember, I told you all, everything is man-powered. Everything is done by hand. This is the dining area. And from the dining area, looking into the living room. Front door. They still putting it together. They still got plastic on the front door. Yeah. So they still getting it together, y'all. I just have to be patient. Yep. So from the living room into the dining room. Then outside the front window here. And then out the other window here in the living room. As you can see, down the mountain range. Out there. This is from the front living room. Yep, so they're making progress. I just have to be patient, y'all. Pray for my patience. Yeah. So this is the progress tour, or tour progress of my house. It come a long ways from where it was a month ago. Oh, you're bringing in some more towels. All right. I'm stepping back out through the kitchen here. He's opening up the front gate, and here it comes. Yeah. All right. So that's the area you come in through the front gate, down into the driveway here. And this is how you come into my house. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Much better. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so we're getting it together here. She brought in some more stuff to continue to work on the house. Awesome. Yeah.